for Karen Rake. Today we're gonna do a taste test video. So I'm gonna be trying Royal Crown Floater for the first time, but I gotta get my mom to open this. So hold on. Okay, guys, I'm back. So let's take a little smell. It smells like Pepsi. I love Pepsi. I love Pepsi, you guys. It literally smells like Pepsi. It smells like Pepsi. I'm gonna try it right now. Smash that thumbs up button right now for your girl. Smash it right now. Right now. And can we get 1,000,000 likes, please? Yeah. I want to mention. This is really good, guys. I give a 10 out of 10. Give this one a double thumbs up right now. Double thumbs up. Big thumbs up right now. I just want to keep drinking this because this one's good. This is really good. Mm. 10 out of 10. Very, very refreshing. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Click the like button if you haven't, and subscribe to my channel and turn on post notifications and check out my other videos and see how you react to them. So yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching, and turn on post notifications so you never miss an upload. And for video, follow me on TikTok, Karen Rake 12. And check out my videos on TikTok as well. My username is Karen Rake 12 or Karen Rake 2006, whatever. But follow me on TikTok. Don't forget to subscribe to Karen Rake.